Uses of radioactivity and radioisotopes. First one is cobalt 60 is used to treatment of cancer by killing the cell in the malignant tumor of the patient. It is used for treatment of cancer. Cobalt atomic number 27 and mass number 60. These isotopes used as a treatment of cancer. Another sodium 24 isotopes used for blood circulation. Used for blood circulation. This process is known as a radiocardiology. Radiocardiology. Sodium 24 isotopes for blood circulation. Iodine 131 used for thyroid function, thyroid goitre. Fe 59 Fe 59 used for diagnosis of anemia, anemic person. Gold Au 198 used for treatment of liver disease. These isotopes used for medical purpose. Now another purpose of gamma rays. Some gamma rays emitted by the radioisotopes is used for sterilize, bandage, dressing, syringe, other equipments in hospital, because hospital contain lot of bacteria present. So by using gamma rays make them to free from the germs, bacteria. So this gamma rays use for sterilize equipments. Now penetrating power of the beta radiation emitted from the radioisotopes, they are used to control the thickness of the paper, plastics and metal sheet during their manufacturing. So on this point of view, beta radiation used to control the thickness of the paper, plastics and metal sheet during manufacture. Another ionizing effect of the radiation from radioisotopes used to making certain luminescent sign. It is used for luminescent, mean it is a look from long distance. So it gives prefer sign or symbol. Carbon dating C614. C614. These radioisotopes used to determine the age of rocks, age of earth or fossil fuels, fossils and their study. In that some percentage of carbon 14 is remaining in death, then by using this method we calculate the age of fossils. This is known as a carbon dating. On this way we calculate age of dead matter or dead things. Next, harmful effect and safety precaution. We are using lot of uses of radiation, radioisotopes, but there are harmful effect also. When radiation fall on the human body, it kills living tissues or cause radiation burn or damage. There are two main sources from we get radiation from radioactive falls out from nuclear plant and other sources, and another disposal of nuclear waste from nuclear energy for production of electricity. Biological effect of nuclear radiation are three types. First one is short term recoverable effect, in that diarrhea, loss of hair, nausea, sore throat. It is a short term effect of radiation. Second one is long term. It is a irrecoverable effect like leukemia and cancer. Leukemia and cancer. And third one is genetics. Means it cause from parents to their offspring, because genetic information DNA which is coded from this is known as a mutation. Mutation means from one generation to another generation its effect. It is a genetic disorder. It is a third if biological effect of nuclear radiation, parents to their offspring. America attack on Japan on 6 August 1945, Hiroshima, and 9th August 1945 in Nagasaki of nuclear bomb. This is a tremendous power of nuclear bomb. It destroy lot of, in that kill more, means it is in that more man-made man killing, and in this incident lot of radiation. This radiation now also effect on that time, because this radiation means mutation which in the form of DNA sequence from parents to offspring nowadays also affect see on their person, daughter or son, because DNA sequence radiation from parents to their offspring. This is a bad or effect of radiation. So nuclear bomb, it is a very dangerous and it affect the whole life. But nowadays nuclear power plant are major source of electricity in the world. So we need lot of amount of energy, electricity. So mostly use as a main source nuclear power plant, but there are some incident happen, and the incident like USA on 28th March 1979, another incident Ukraine in 26 April 1986, and another recent 11th March 2011. This incident causes damage to the reactor buildings, injuries to person, death of persons, and lot of radiation in the atmosphere. So lot of radiation in the atmosphere, then irradiation start, skin burn, mentally pressure. So lot of problem arise. We are using preparation of electricity from nuclear power plant. It produce lot amount of nuclear waste. This is a serious problem or disposal of nuclear waste. In the fuel rod used in nuclear power plant are rejected when their activity decrease. So we cannot throw it because radioactive substance always in that radiation. So it is a part of radiation, radioactive substance. So we cannot throw. So we need to it dispose. We need garbage dump, but this may be contaminated with water, soil, then it affect the human being. So this is a very dangerous situation nowadays, disposal of nuclear waste, because it having always radiation, because it is a radioactive. So it may be come from soil, because soil contain means it contain maybe come from the we eaten by the food, because it present in soil then, and it also contaminated water, then we drink, then in it also come in our body through water. So it's a very dangerous effect to human being. Now safety measurement, when we use radioactive substance or in nuclear power plant, we should use lead lined apron, lead gloves. We also use lead tongues for handling of radioactive materials, and check the safety limits, and special films plates are used to tested from the time to time, know the amount of radiation present and particular person to which the particular person has been exposed, check the limits, and always radioactive substance kept in thick lead container. We cannot use as a iron. About 30 centimeter iron plate also penetrating the radioactive radiation, so we cannot use as a iron, but we use as a lead container which is thick, then do not penetrating radioactive substance. So always we use our radiation kept in thick lead container with very narrow opening, so can radiation do not go in the atmosphere. And after using radioactive material, its use, it's known as a nuclear waste, then it easily dispose as a safe place which do not contaminated with water or soil. So students, thank you.